Everyone is getting into the university, graduating after years of studying, and it is the exact time for you to follow the same process. And you know what? You've always been right. Education actually matters. But at the same time, you also understand that getting a degree is not going to be enough for you in this century, and you know you needed to do something beyond that. The experts seeing people graduating in higher institutions, and after that, they have to look for work or plan to travel out just to sort themselves out. And maybe in the worst case scenario, you have nobody to sponsor you for that. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to go around these recurring patterns and how you can also leverage on what you have. And just with a little bit of a challenge that will actually change your life drastically with the way you see things and opportunities. Just a blueprint you should follow that will help you. And this is the only thing you need to follow. Well, the system has failed us. We can't blame the system and expect things to change. We need to do things ourselves. The responsibility is just to change it. So what is the key for you not to fall into the same category before you graduate? Having a degree actually matters, and let me be honest with you, but this is what most people get wrong, which I don't want you to get wrong. In the real world, your grades stop mattering 4 months after your graduation. And this is what actually matters. Can you actually solve problems in the area you say you are good at? Can you communicate it so well? And can you also deliver results? So yes, good grade matters, but if that is the only thing you're planning, you are only setting yourself up for disappointment. So at this point, you might be wondering, if going to school doesn't really matter, so why don't you just quit school and double down on what actually matters? And don't be surprised, that is not the point, because even Bill Gates had to leave school because they've started a business that was actually flourishing. He had a business that is making money, and he did not just drop out of school just to sit at home and watch tutorials. So your degree gives you something to leverage on whether you like it or not. And not just that, university gives you time to experiment. It gives you time to network, because most of your classmates are going to be CEOs in the future. And also your times in the university gives an opportunity to build your credibility. So you should never drop out of school, but this is what you need to do while in school. Use your university year strategically, because if you should leave the university just with the degree, you've wasted your time. So now you might be probably thinking, should you just hustle or build a business while in school? So maybe something as a side hustle during your leisure times. And honestly, I respect your mentality to always get things done, because if you are not working, you are going to suffer. But here is the problem: hustling without strategy is just you running around the cycle. And as a student, it depends on the kind of hustle you want to venture in if it is not going to affect you academically. So over time, I have seen students hustling, and at the same time they miss the hustle and they miss the school. So tell me, what is the point of doing all of that? Hustling is good, but have direction, have skills, have knowledge, have character. So yes, hustle, but I want you to know that all you need is to grind smart. So if good grades won't save you, if dropping out of school is so risky, and if hustling without strategy looks dangerous, so then what should you do? And this is what I need to share with you. The best way is not to be like the majority and use your time in the university to work on your self-development. Being a student, or not just being an hustler, but a complete person. Someone who is educated, someone who is skilled, someone who is financially smart, you're well connected and mentally strong. These are the only things that will separate you from just a casual graduate. So you still need to pass your exam, because your parents have pushed you so well to get to this point. You need to pass all of your courses, so don't play with it. Instead of memorizing for examinations, understand how this principle actually works. Build something that solves real people's problem. Put it out there and let people see. That is you building your portfolio and what will keep you going more than just a degree. So now this is non-negotiable. Before you graduate, you need to have skills that makes you something, either in the course you're studying or something outside the box. And there are some skills you can learn on YouTube right now for nothing. Video editing, graphics design, content writing, social media management, web designing, data analysis, digital marketing, and so on and so forth. So all you need to do is just to pick one, learn it in the next 90 days, and get your first client. Phyize, yes, this all sounds good, but how can I actually balance this with my academics? And this is the exact 5 steps to balance whatever you are learning with your schooling. 70% of your time should be on your school responsibilities, which are attending to classes, doing your assignment, studying for examination, and preparing to have a decent grade. Now the 20% of your time should be on building yourself, which is you learning a marketable skill, if it is just 1 hour in a day, which is going to be 7 hours in a week. And that is how time compounds. And 10% of the remaining time is to build yourself and network yourself. Post either 2 or 3 times weekly on the social media. Attend events that will broaden your network. And I want you to listen if you're watching to this far. Your university years are the most important time to invest on your life, because you have something at the moment which you will never have again, which is you have the time to experience things. You have the permission to fail, and you don't really have much of spendings. And to the biggest part, you have the energy and learning capabilities. So if you think all you need to do is just to spend your time in the university and chase the grades, trust me, you are wasting your time. Because in the next 5 years, you can either be either of these two. You can either be graduate A that has done with school with no skills and everybody is asking you what is next. Or you can just be person B with a normal grade, but you have skills and you have something to deliver to the market space. Either you have your own business, you have the right network, you have options, you are building generational wealth, and to the biggest part, you are living your dream life. Same school, same person, but different results. And what makes the difference are intentional. So here is the truth you haven't prepared for. This country will frustrate you and it will only give you rewards if you are strategically moving. So now I want you to look around you. The richest person did not wait for government jobs. The most successful people are not the one with the best grades. The ones living lives now are the ones solving people's problems. So here is going to be my challenge as I've promised you. And I want you to pick a skill in this week and I want you to start learning until you get your first client to work with. And the action steps I want you to take today is to pick a skill, watch a tutorial on them, create a social media profile for yourself, and start posting about the project you are handling. And let me be honest with you, you don't need to start big. All you just need to do is to decide now that you're not going to be that struggling graduate. Because education is still the best legacy, but only if you are doing it right. Not just collecting a degree, not just having good grades, but you are building yourself ahead of opportunities that will show up for you. And you can only leverage on opportunities when you are prepared for them. So the choice is yours. And with that, I am going to see you in the next one.